Okay, talk about an important river or lake in your country or hometown.
Today my topic is important river or lake in your country or hometown. Pakistan is the largest country. There are many river, beaches, and lakes in Pakistan, which are very important. These rivers, lakes, and beaches increases the beauty of Pakistan. I did not know everything about these rivers and beaches. Um, uh, I learned about it from school. From school, I did not. I learned a lot from news from for
All right, Chalin, you spoke for 44 seconds only. Try to be more confident, and Pakistan is not the largest country. Okay?
diverse country.
Yeah, huh?
Diverse country.
Diverse country, but it's not the largest one. So
Okay.
come up with more ideas. I understand your topic was unusual. It's better you could talk about River Ravi. We have
Okay.
River Ravi here, so you could talk about that. That's perfectly fine, right? So be confident and focus your content. Language is good, but you need to focus your content. Now let's
So,
move on. Speaking part three. Why do many people like going to the places with water, like rivers, lakes, beach, and all that?
because people in summer mostly like to enjoy there uh, because they want to.
Come on. People love to go to the places near water because water gives them fascination. On the other
Fascination.
hand, when people go there, they have fun, they swim. Some people do different water activities like scuba
And
diving, rowing the
boating
boats. And
and water. Okay.
okay, just come out of this thing. You'll be fine, inshallah. Thank you.